Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is missing letters. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. Missing letters, that means in a word one letter is missing, and students, we have to write that letter. Just look here, number 6, P-A-R-O-T. P-A-R-O-T. So, what will be in the dash? It will be P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now, number 7. B-L-A-C dash. B-L-A-C dash. So what will be in the dash? B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Number 8. T-U-L-P. 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 It will be I, tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Now number 9. C-L-O-K. 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 So what will be in the dash? C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Now number 10. S-T-R. 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 So what will be in the dash? It is A, star. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. So number 6 is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Number 7 is black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Number 8 is tulip, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Number 9 is clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. And number 10 is star, S-T-A-R, star. And students, your HW number 9 is missing letter 6 to 10. This is your HW number 9, and this is missing letter 6 to 10. That means today's lesson. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.